Welcome to All Auto Parts Group, your trusted partner for automotive solutions. Toyota engines are known for their reliability. They have a reputation for being some of the most dependable engines on the market. Toyota cars are famous for lasting a long time. Many Toyota vehicles can easily surpass 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. This is because their engines are built to be strong and dependable. The meticulous engineering and high-quality materials used in their construction ensure longevity. Even used Toyota engines are known for running well for many miles. They maintain their performance and efficiency over time, making them a great investment. When you need to replace your car's engine, a used Toyota engine is a smart choice. It offers a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. You get the same quality and durability that Toyota is known for. Each engine undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets Toyota's high standards. This means you can drive with confidence, knowing your engine is reliable. The peace of mind that comes with a Toyota engine is unmatched. Toyota engines are made with high-quality parts and strict standards. Every component is designed to work seamlessly together, ensuring optimal performance. This focus on quality means that used Toyota engines are less likely to break down. They consistently outperform other brands in terms of durability and reliability. Choosing a used Toyota engine is a smart way to keep your car running smoothly. It's a decision that ensures your vehicle remains dependable for years to come. Replacing a car engine can be expensive. A new engine is a big investment. Used Toyota engines offer a more affordable option without compromising quality. You can save a lot of money by choosing a used engine. This is especially helpful if you need to repair an older car. It lets you keep your car on the road without spending too much. Used Toyota engines are available for many different models. Whether you have a Camry, Corolla, or Tacoma, you can likely find a used engine that fits your car. This wide availability means you have more choices and can find the right engine for your needs and budget. Choosing a used Toyota engine is good for the environment. Manufacturing new engines uses a lot of energy and resources. By giving an engine a second life, you reduce waste and help the planet. Used Toyota engines are known for their performance. They offer a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. This means you can enjoy a reliable car that doesn't cost a fortune to fuel up. Reusing and repurposing are important for a sustainable future. Choosing a used engine is a responsible choice that benefits both your wallet and the environment. All Auto Parts Group, your used engine source. We are dedicated to providing you with the best used engines available in the market. All Auto Parts Group is a trusted source for used Toyota engines. Our extensive selection ensures that you can find the perfect engine for your needs. We have a large inventory of engines to choose from. Our warehouse is stocked with a variety of makes and models, ensuring you have plenty of options. Whether you're a mechanic or a car owner, we have the right engine for you. Our knowledgeable staff is always ready to assist you in making the best choice. All our engines go through strict quality checks. Each engine is meticulously inspected to ensure it meets our high standards. We want to make sure you get a reliable engine that meets our high standards. Our commitment to quality means you can trust our products. Our team carefully inspects each engine to ensure its quality and performance. We take pride in our thorough inspection process. We offer competitive prices on all our used Toyota engines. Our goal is to provide you with the best value for your money. We believe that quality used parts should be accessible to everyone. Our friendly staff is here to help you find exactly what you need. Our goal is to provide great value without compromising on the quality of our engines. Trust All Auto Parts Group for your used engine needs, where quality and affordability meet. At All Auto Parts Group, customer satisfaction is our priority. We believe that a happy customer is the best testament to our service. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is here to help you find the right engine and answer any questions you may have. Whether you need advice on compatibility or performance, we are here to assist you every step of the way. We offer warranty options on our used Toyota engines to give you peace of mind. Our warranties are designed to protect your investment and ensure that you are covered in case of any unforeseen issues. We stand behind the quality of our products and want you to feel confident in your purchase. Each engine is thoroughly inspected and tested to meet our high standards. Our warranties provide protection and support for your engine. With our comprehensive coverage, you can drive with confidence knowing that we have you covered. Ordering from All Auto Parts Group is easy. Our user-friendly website allows you to browse our extensive inventory from the comfort of your home. You can browse our inventory online, call us, or visit our store. Our team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. We offer nationwide shipping and can help you arrange for installation if needed. No matter where you are, we ensure that your engine reaches you safely and promptly. Our goal is to make the process of buying a used engine as smooth as possible. From selection to installation, we are committed to providing you with a seamless and hassle-free experience. Don't miss out on the benefits of a used Toyota engine. Contact All Auto Parts Group today to find the perfect engine for your car. Our team is ready to answer your questions and help you get back on the road with confidence. You can reach us by phone at +1 865 505 0345. Also email us at org@allautopartsgroup.io or visit our website at allautopartsplanets.com, aluzadauto.worldallautopartsstore.com.drive with confidence and save money with a quality used Toyota engine from All Auto Parts Group. We're here to help you every step of the way. Stay tuned for more information on All Auto Parts Group channel.